All right, hello Fly Tribe, welcome. We wanted to come on here and just show you some things of what you should expect when going to your bungee class. All right, first things first is that when you enter into the studio, you're gonna come and weigh yourself at the scale, and then you're gonna come to your instructor and they're gonna hand you a bungee that looks like this. And at the end of one of the bungees, it's going to say what weight it is. And it's very important that you have the right weight. Otherwise, it won't hold you correctly.
Okay, so this is what your equipment is supposed to look like. And there's 3 carabiners, one at the end right next to the numbers, one right here connecting to the bungee, and this swivel makes you be able to turn, to spin, and there's one more right here. And you always want to make sure that your carabiners are facing downward so that it doesn't, over time, unscrew and come off. And so we just want to unscrew this, and you'll be able to take this off, and then you'll just put it back on, and then you'll screw it to lock it. And that's your equipment for bungee.
The next thing, your instructor is going to hand you a harness, or they'll show you where they're at and you can grab one. All right, and so we're going to show you how you're going to put that on. So here Addison has her harness on, so you just slip yourself in between that first part, and then you're going to snap your legs in together. So your legs will just snap, and it does take some time getting used to the harness. This is probably the hardest part at first of joining bungee, is getting used to the harness and figuring out where the harness needs to be. And your instructor will help you learn where it needs to be and how to hook it up. All right, very simple, just like that. And then the next thing that you're going to expect in class is you're going to have a step stool of some sort, whether it's this step stool or a different step stool. And you're gonna have to go on top of the step stool, and you're gonna need a partner, someone close to you, possibly your instructor or your neighbor. And you're gonna have to pull here at the top, pull it down, and that's going to help your partner hook the clip. Okay, and then you're going to lock the carabiner, and then you're good to go, and you can step off. And it might feel a little weird or uncomfortable at first. The harness is going to feel like it's riding up quite a bit, but you do want that top part around your ribs, and you want your legs really close to the top. And again, your first class or two is going to be a lot about figuring out where your harness needs to be. And this is some of the things that you'll learn in class. And we will take it easy and slow, and we'll get you used to these movements so that it's not going to be so difficult at first. You're going to find this to be super fun. And some of the things that you can't do regularly, you'll be able to do a little easier here, like the push-up. It just takes some time getting used to it first. All right, so another thing that you're gonna learn in class is how to grab the ladder and how to adjust your bungee the way you need it. So this is how you're gonna grab your ladder. You're gonna go inside, and you're gonna lift the top legs and drag. And your instructor is gonna help you learn all of this, so don't feel afraid. This is just to give you an idea of what to expect. You're gonna learn how to feel comfortable climbing the ladder. And at this point, your bungee would not be on. So at the beginning of class, you're gonna grab your bungee and you're gonna put it on the loop that's good for you. And at first, it's going to be a trial and error. You're going to have to learn where you need your bungee to feel comfortable in class. But this is how you're going to de-rig after class as well. You're going to take the bungee off, and you're going to put the bungee away. And that way you're self-sufficient in your bungee class. All right, Fly Tribe, we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or anything, just reach out to us. Otherwise, sign up for class like normal, and we'll see you in Bungee Club.